Is it necessary to refit traditional vehicles to electric vehicles? Many people ask me this question, and I will explain it to you in 3 cases. 1. If you want to save money, use the old body and want to refit the powertrain system and add the battery. I think it is valuable when you have a large quantity of vehicles, such as 50 or 100 units, because the design and labor costs are also very expensive. But it will be acceptable when divided to each vehicle. 2. If you have a small quantity, like 5 or 10 vehicles, and want to refit them very well and save, I do not recommend it. Like I just mentioned, the designing cost is expensive. In addition, your old vehicles have been used for many years. It is also rusted, not strong enough, and the structure of the traditional vehicles is not suitable for the layout of large volume of batteries. This cost-performance ratio is not as good as buying new ones. And the most important thing about electric vehicles is the warranty and after-sales service. 3. If you are a hobbyist, enthusiast, and have a lot of money and time, then just go do it.